Welcome to the next video in the series looking at building noughts and crosses in C++. So far, we've created our main game loop and we've created the display grid along with adding include files, functions and globals. This video is just going to focus on creating the DisplayInput function. All this function does, it displays a grid to the user and tells them what buttons they can input. So it shows them their control system in essence. Okay, so inside our game loop, we've now cleared the screen. We've shown we put C out to screen, which is welcome to noughts and crosses. We've displayed the grid, and now we're going to do this function display input. So we're going to do it here. Okay. So within this, we want to put. We'll put a comment first. Displays current players go, and then a grid of input keys. Dead simple. It's going to display which players go it is, and it's going to display a set of keys. So to screen, we want C out player space inside the brackets. Imagine we're like writing a sentence, but we're going to do it slightly different. So player, and then whatever's in the current player variable space, it's your go. Space, semicolon, a couple of back arrows, and end L for end line. Okay, so what this is going to do is, they should be backslashes, always backslash, unless it's input. So what we want to do is, we want to display to screen, player, whatever the current player, so inside that variable what we've created up here, whatever this is set to, if it's current 1 or if it's player 2, we'll display out, so player 1/2, it's your go. Next, we want to give an instruction to the player. So C out again, and inside the brackets, enter the key as shown below to correspond with the grid. A couple back arrows and down. Okay, so see how this is this colour. See that speech mark there? Speech mark should be after the text is finished. Like that. So we're going to display to screen player 1 it's your go, player 2 it's your go. Then we're going to say enter the key as shown below with the grid. Then we'll have another end line just so it leaves a gap. Like so, and now we're going to display the grid. We know the grid is already set up like this for us, okay? So this is the grid that we're going to display to screen. So if we just copy and paste this here, just going to save us some time. I'm just going to leave a space so you can see it. We know we want to display this, but all we want to do inside these sections here, instead of actually the grid being there, we want to give them an option. So we'll just we'll start from Q. So that is now our display. So inside this, if we want to go in this position, we're going to press Q. So we're going to do this along. So we're going to go Q, W, E, so them 3, and then we'll go on to the next line. Then we'll do A, S, D, and then the final line, we'll do Z, X, and finally C. So we basically set up a set of controls here. I know it looks out of line, but it won't be when we run it. So if we run it now, it'll display this to screen, and then it'll start to show that. It's messing up again because we've not quite finished the game loop yet. But it'll say inside there, player 1 it's your go, enter the key is shown below to correspond with the grid. So if we want to go in that place, we can input Q. Well, we will be able to input Q when we've done that function. And from that it'll go there. Okay. So that's the end of the short video.